Hi, welcome again to Jeep's Rock. I just wanted to real quickly show you some more functionality of the TrailRax. I just got another package from RotoPack, which is a system that will work with the TrailRax system. And what this is going to do is I'm going to open this up real quick. It's going to be 4 gallons of gas, and I'm going to show you how quickly you can add 4 gallons of gas to your vehicle. Again, you can do this on either side, so that's up to 8. And then from RotoPack, you can also take and buy an extension that allows you to double that, so you can have up to 16 gallons of gas on your vehicle if you wanted to. May not be necessary, but at least 4 would be highly recommended, just in case you need to stretch that the extension from where you're trying to get to your next trail, or you may not be able to push it too much further to the next gas station. But here we go. So again, this is from RotoPack. This is their 4-gallon gas tank. And again, I will pick up all of my trash here when I'm done, because I'm here at the lake. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how easy this is. They have it also, because this is one full system, different ways to mount, so it can be on different vehicles. But what we're going to do is we're going to use these 2 sides here that we already have set up. I'm going to come over here, put it on. And again, these are from RotoPack as well. You just put these in here and you line them up. And what you do is you hold the first handle and you turn the other one until it lines up with the little studs that's in there. And you'll do that on the other one. And these also, if you can see, they have an option for some of them are solid handle. This one actually has a lock. So with this system that we have today, you would only need one with a lock if you want to, or both. It's up to you for other applications. But what we're showing you here is just, again, there's a lock that's right here, or you can have a solid one that allows you just to have one without a lock if it's just a quick in and out for the weekend or something when you're not worried about any kind of theft. But what I've done is I've went ahead and every one of my handles I have a lock on them. So again, just like that, if you can see, I've now added 4 more gallons of gas to the dark side, and we're ready to hit the trail. Okay, now that we have it on the vehicle, I'm going to show you how quickly and how much of a difference it makes just by removing the mounting system. Once this is completely removed, all we're going to have is 2 mounting blocks that you do have to screw into the top of your hardtop. But again, from this height and this type of vehicle, the way it's lifted a little bit, you won't even be able to see those mounting blocks. They're all powder coated, so you don't have to worry about them getting rusted. But I'm going to show you how quickly we can now remove the system and then turn it back into just your daily driver, mall crawler, or whatever or even a show vehicle if that's what you're looking for. But I'm going to show you how easy that is. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take your RotoPacks and you're going to twist them back here so that they can slide off, just like this. So again, this is a 4-gallon. And just go ahead and take these off real quick. So with the system, there's 2 bolts here on the top, and then these are actually just hold under the lip of the hardtop. So what you're gonna do is just take your socket, what you're going to do is you're going to pull these down very carefully so you don't scratch your paint. And that's how easy it is to remove from your vehicle. And now you have access back to your window if you need to, back to all your stickers, and luckily these are all of the sponsors that I have and ambassadorships I have, so very thankful to them. And as you can see, we've got the tracks right here. Take a look at TrailRax.com, that's TrailRax.com, and also Rotopack.com for all your needs for what you've seen here today in this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you out on the trail.